Welcome back to Product Critique, the go-to place for honest and in-depth reviews. Today we're talking about what we believe is the best outdoor deck lighting currently available. The SMY Lighting Recessed LED Deck Light Kits. If you're in the market for something sleek, durable, and efficient to light up your outdoor spaces, stick with us for the next few minutes. You're going to want to see everything this lighting kit has to offer. Let's start with design. The SMY Recessed LED Deck Lights are compact, measuring just 32 mm in diameter. This minimalist size makes them ideal for seamlessly blending into any surface without disrupting your aesthetic. Whether you're using them on a patio, wooden deck, concrete stairwell, or even indoors in places like a kitchen or floor trim, they stay flush with the surface and create a clean, modern look. One of the standout features of these lights is the protective shell. Each light is encased in a stainless steel and acrylic housing that not only enhances its durability but also ensures it can withstand physical pressure. That means you can walk on them, drive over them, or install them in high-traffic areas without a second thought. Now let's talk weather resistance. These lights are rated IP67 waterproof. That's not just splash resistant, it means they can handle being submerged in water up to a meter deep for about 30 minutes. So, rain, snow, or even accidentally spraying them with a hose, they're built to survive it all. This makes them especially suited for outdoor use, even in regions with tough weather conditions. Power efficiency is another huge win here. They run on a 12 volts low voltage power supply, which makes them safe to install yourself and reduces energy consumption without sacrificing brightness. You don't need to worry about high energy bills even if you're running them all night for ambiance. The included power adapter makes installation easier, and because the system is modular, you can start with a small set and expand later. Speaking of light, let's talk ambiance. The SMY LEDs emit a warm white glow, giving your space a cozy, inviting feel. It's perfect for highlighting the edges of a deck, illuminating stairs for safety, or accenting garden pathways. They're bright enough to be functional without being overpowering. Ideal for those late-night gatherings or just enjoying a peaceful evening outside. Installation is straightforward and well documented. The kit includes everything you need: the lights, extension cables, and the power adapter. There's no complicated wiring involved. Each unit connects via waterproof plugs, making it a great DIY project even for beginners. Another bonus is the long lifespan of the LEDs. You're looking at tens of thousands of hours of use, which means once installed, you won't be climbing under the deck or pulling up pavers to replace burned-out bulbs anytime soon. That's all for today's product critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a product review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.